Finally, the first official leaked teaser of the Galaxy S24 series Unpacked 2024 has arrived. For quite some time, everyone has been buzzing about Samsung's debut Unpacked event for 2024, which will take place on January 17th. If you are unfamiliar with mobile technology events, you may be wondering why it is essential. The reason is that this is the time when Samsung unveils its newest Galaxy S phones, which are some of the largest and most exciting announcements in the mobile world each year. However, Samsung's new product reveal and phone launch will occur earlier in 2024, allowing its Galaxy S24 models more time to compete with other top phones. According to speculations, invitations to Samsung's first major 2024 event will be sent on January 2nd. A leaker identified as Mysterious Lupin claims the event will take place in San Jose, California at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time / 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This year, the Galaxy S24 Plus is expected to get advancements like a larger screen, battery, and more RAM in addition to the customary emphasis on the Ultra variant. Walmart just posted their Galaxy S24 Plus sales page 17 days early. They promptly erased it, but not before screenshots were taken and published online. Samsung is scheduled to announce the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra at their next Unpacked event. Leaks claim they will have capabilities like Live Translate, Generative Edit, and Nightography Zoom. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Plus is getting a hardware boost, making it more like the high-end Ultra but at a lower price, which may attract buyers looking for a middle-of-the-road option. Invitations for Samsung's January 17th event are expected to arrive Tuesday, and according to Mystery Lupin's tweet, Samsung will be promoting the new AI features of its flagship models a lot this year. Renowned leaker Ice Universe has also hinted that pricing for the Galaxy S24 series may be reduced, lending credence to prior speculations that Samsung intends to avoid losing users by charging too much. This plan might include cost-cutting tactics like not adding extra RAM to the phones. According to reports, Samsung has produced more Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 Plus than it did last year, demonstrating confidence in the new models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.